Welcome to another vlog, a random day in my life. There's more to watch. Keep watching. Welcome back to an unproductive day in my life. After freshening up, I always have warm water in the morning. It's like a custom in my family. Let's go read. This is the best book I've ever read, Tuesdays with Mori, and today I'll start with The Thousand Splendid Suns. It is written by Khalid Hosseini. I have read The Kite Runner, so I have a lot of expectations with this. I'm blending Persian blue and orange together, thinking about all the weaknesses of mine, and one of those is voiceovers, so I'm very scared. At the bottom, I'm blending lemon yellow and orange. For the clouds at the top, I have mixed blue and orange. To give the clouds a fluffy look, I am adding orange at the bottom of the blue clouds. Towards the bottom, I'm making orange clouds, and to give it a fluffy look, I'll add yellow at the bottom of my orange clouds. Using black, I'll make 3 coconut trees. These are all my weak points. I'm very bad at painting coconut trees and blending a little colors these days because I'm not practicing well, so it is one of my practice works. Hope you like it. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel for more. There's more interesting videos coming up next month because I'll be working in all my weaknesses, especially watercolor. I'm horrible in watercolor. I thought of starting a series of acrylic painting for 30 days, and this is the first painting. That is why I'm sharing the entire tutorial here. And if you like it, do comment down below. When it comes to painting moon, I'm the worst. I just thought of trying this technique. I don't know where. Suddenly I just got this in my head. But it didn't work, I guess, but it's okay. It looks good. Let's fix it. Oh my god, after so long I have painted something which is making me happy. Besides painting, I love cooking, especially slicing or chopping. It's so therapeutic for me. Today I prepared the breakfast and it was rice fry. It was tasty, really very tasty. Editing errors which I cannot fix now. These are the things which eventually happens every day. Today it was raining, so I thought of watching a movie. And the movie was Queen. I love London Dhumagda. This is my favorite song. This scene is my favorite, so you can read the subtitles which I have kept for you guys. In the evening, I went to my friend's house. It was raining, so we prepared pakoras and chai together and we had it. It was delicious, and later I came back home and I did nothing that I can show you. It was just scrolling and scrolling. It was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.